let's start with care. The noodles we'll prepare. Loosen them gently so the light is air. Boil them just a moment, not a second more nor less. For perfection lies in timing in this culinary finesse. Now comes the dance of flavors, the symphony of spice. Chili oil and peanut butter, a fusion so precise. Sesame paste whispers secrets, tales from lands afar. As the broth simmers softly like a twinkling star. Bok choy takes its place, a verdant crown to adorn. Soft-boiled eggs nestle gently from the early morn. Chili peppers add a kick, a fiery embrace. Minced pork adds its richness, a taste you can't replace. Bonito flakes dance lightly like autumn leaves in flight. Ginger adds its warmth to the coolness of the night. And as the fragrance fills the air with memories new, a bond between generations.